Chapter 1 consists of 3 sections: material study, system study, and form-finding methods. First, a group was made responsible for investigating bamboo as a natural non-standard material, its properties, applications, and how it can be used for construction. After that, we searched for available types of bamboo in the market. 4 types were found, and we made a preliminary study to assess their quality, geometrical and mechanical properties, workability, and so on. We also tried to follow recommendations of ISO for grading of bamboo. Due to COVID restrictions, we did most of our assessments in-house as far as possible. In the end, a native species of bamboo, the so-called flamed khizaran, was preferred over the others. The study of different systems for spatial structures was also underway at the time. Despite the inherent differences between these systems, all of them were considered as possible options. This study was meant to provide sufficient information for system design in the next chapter. A study of different form-finding methods were assigned to 2 groups. They provided a brief explanation of the basics and principles. They also studied available tools and plugins, and finally prepared one code for each method to be shared and let others easily play around and try them as a design tool. With all the information gathered in the previous chapter, we moved to the second chapter with 2 main objectives of system design and form design. In a series of brainstorming sessions, various systems were proposed until a handful of them were chosen as final candidates. These candidates were then prototyped to experience the fabrication process of each one. For this, a limited number of participants were managed to visit the Fab Lab and have hands-on experience. We have also conducted an evaluation process based on various criteria to come to conclusion what are the pros and cons of each system. Among the final 4 alternatives, we are now continuing with the last one. It is worthy of mention that we are still working on the connection for better structural performance and easier fabrication and assembly. Everyone was encouraged to participate in form design, either using form-finding methods introduced before or coming up with freehand designs if interested. After quite some time of correction and discussion, several candidates were shortlisted. The final form was selected based on votes. A structural analysis was also performed to see forces and deformations in the structure. Minor modifications are still in progress to prepare it for digital fabrication.